Guten Morgen, guten Morgen. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. We are looking
Morning, Matt.
Good morning, good morning. We're looking at maybe GJ over here. Maybe, just maybe. Obviously I'll do analysis in a second, but yeah, looking like we're gonna get a closure below here on the 30. I want it kind of stronger. We'll see. We will see. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, hopefully we can make it top wick first. That would be nice. That would be good. And then realistically, yeah, 878. So yeah, this is actually the same area that I took that trade yesterday. Okay, so 30-minute close bearish below. Okay, great stuff. So hopefully if you can make a top wick. Then we should be good. The reason why I want a top wick is just because obviously there is little wicks there, right? So a nice little top wick and the break of. Would I get the break of the previous low? Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. And how big is the zone? Yeah, the zone's huge. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. So yeah, that's what you normally do. You normally just go through the motions going, right, should I get the flip? Well, there's wicks there. It's pretty easy to get in the low, right? What's the difference? Like 2 pips. So I'm going to take the... about the 4-hour and 1-hour support. Yeah, I mean, it's 30-minute closure below. 4-hour support, yeah, it's still there, I agree. But I think if it makes its top wick and reflips, I think you're good now. I made a nice top wick. There is a big support, I do agree. But I think with the 30-minute closing like that, also 15 closing below, and make it a top wick now, I think once we flip, we're going to be good. Yes, I'll stop. As I said last time as well, these wicks didn't really bother me too much because of the fact that they're at 6:30 and 10 o'clock, so... So there. Let's take a look at EJ. Yeah, EJ. I lower the support. Goldie looking like it's coming back down. So we're looking okay today. Let me, where is it? There we go. Obviously, we'll do analysis in a second. I'm just watching this right now for the time being. So obviously, coming back up to retest this level. So if we do start seeing rejection, then yeah, we should be good. We should be good. See some good rejection from these zones. Then we should be okay and okay. Why not sell stocks breaking previous low? It is. It is. It is. It is. It is. Okay, let's take a look at the chat. Let me just do this. There we go. Let's put this on. There you go. Good morning, chat. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. How was yesterday? Yesterday was yeah, mad on gold, man. Gold was nasty. Gold was really bad around here. GJ was good though. I was annoyed that I couldn't send it out to the group, but man, it was decent. Closure below. Took these sells, which is okay. The sell stop is actually like 3.5, I'd say, or 3.4. A little bit further below. It's not on the 15. Yeah, it's break of previous 30-minute lows. That's why. So take the same as you mean. Our method of the same just before coming here. I put my sells on GJ and also took the yesterday's sell on GJ to see that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so the yesterday's GJ sell happened at 2 o'clock. Closure below. I was getting food at the time, ready for sim. But I literally saw it and I ran to the charts. Got in here like around there for 40. Stop loss was above for 17. And I closed 80% there and the rest there 30. So not bad, not bad. There was a sell, yeah, here, Tom. If you look to the left, very clean. So, yeah, I took that yesterday. But apart from that, man, everyone was looking at gold yesterday, but I just didn't know why you were looking at gold. Gold was ass. Gold was really, really choppy. Really, really choppy. And the issue you have with it is, especially with the news as well, it can just hover. Like the amount of times it tried to break this low, I was watching on like the lower time frame. Just like, just look at this. Trying to break this low like 17 times after that news came out. I just couldn't do it. I was waiting for the other news. So yeah, as I said before, those are the days. If you take a look at my Instagram, there was someone asking me, well, I posted that picture, didn't I? And then yesterday, yeah, this one, about just the ranges and stuff. And then someone messaged me and I put on my story. Yeah, this. I'm disciplined all day, every day, till the market becomes shit like this, and I force trade. So annoying as it can be profitable for days, weeks. Then this would be a typical trade. I force a trade, then become 1% down. Possible force another trade later in the day, then revenge trade. It's literally one of my only barriers I've ever left to come. Any tips? I'm like, bro, you know what the tip is. You've just told me. Stop fucking doing it. That's all you gotta do. Stop doing it. Donville got into gold buys on gold yesterday after the news and placed 60 pip stop. Obviously, he took an L over 30k. That was crazy. Ah, well. Still profitable, so it's all good. So yeah, that GJ trade here was good. I was a bit raging about it. 4 hour support there, yeah. I mean, so what you can do is this, which I'm thinking of maybe doing. How about we wait for some more candles to close further below? Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, I think, because actually looking at it, the zone below. Yes, I've deleted it. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'm going to wait a little bit further down because, I mean, this zone is big, right? It's pretty big. And, you know, the wicks were right there. So I think maybe waiting a little bit lower would be sufficient for me. Hesitating to enter on GG, I need a steeper wick. Yeah. So look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, it's right at 4 hour support. Yeah, you're kind of right here, I think. Let's see though. Yeah, it is a pretty big support. Maybe you just want a paper instead of taking. So yeah, what day is it? Is it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. So it's Thursday the 9th. Hopefully today we can get some good volume, good pushes, because there's no news today really. Ah, there's unemployment claims, but this is at 12:30, 1:30. So we've got a long time for that. Your thoughts on Uncle Ted and Trader's Domain being a Ponzi scheme? I haven't heard of anything yet. I haven't heard of it. So GJ's coming down. Yeah, I think I just need to wait for maybe another closure here. But I mean, what you can do is figure out how to manage. So by paper trading it. So what would you do? I mean, you know, here, break the low. Yeah, you'd probably just manage if it closes above. That's probably how you'd do it. What's up, bro? What up? What up? What up? You doing well? Yesterday took 2 L's on EJ and 1 on gold. Oof, 2 L's on EJ. Damn, what did you take? Oh, 1. Yeah, I think the EJ took his time to come down. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This was the closure on the 30 top wick flip. I mean, this is shitty price action here, but the next support is there, so I don't know. Yeah, I think. Yeah, something like that might have been alright. Something like that. Where would you go break even? Probably that hourly support or 162 around that area. It's probably what you would do. Gold was the long. Don't know what's also in the long. Yeah, I think that gold buy. Yeah, for me, it didn't close above on the 15. I know the 30 did, but the 15 didn't close above. And actually, to the left-hand side here, there's wicks, so yeah. 15 didn't close above. Are you in a trade now, or wait for the retest on GJ? I'm probably just going to miss it here. Yeah, it was pretty close to the 4-hour support. So, what you could potentially do here now then, if you got to break the low. Yeah, you're not up enough yet. Why not taking this GJ? Just because it wasn't right at 4-hour support, and I kind of wish it wanted one more candle, but looking like it's going to work out here, which is great. Yeah, I think it was very, very close to 4-hour support when I would have entered on the rejection wicks. So EJ looks like it's going down. EJ, yeah, I mean, maybe down to 144 flat. Maybe. Maybe. So obviously with this 15 closing with no bottom wick, you kind of just wanted to drive a little bit further to 880 is where you'd want to take positions off. Really? Yeah, and how would you manage on the 30? You would just wait for it to close bullish. How much profit would you be in right now? 5, yeah. No shabby. So, let's see if there's any, yeah, I'll do analysis in a sec, guys. Obviously, I was just booking this gold. Sorry, this GJ. For this morning. Is that a little resistance there? Yeah, that's not good, man. Good. Where was your EJ trade? What EJ trade did you take? The fake out above. Wait, where? Send me a chart. So yeah, you probably just want this to continue now. I mean, you kind of give it more room, but I think, you know, if it drives, great. If it doesn't, great. I think you could just go break even here. Good stuff. Obviously, yeah, stop was decent. You could even use actually previous 15 stop. Oh shit. For 10 pips, yeah, that's nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And break even, GJ. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, I mean, it moves pretty quickly down here, so hopefully 884 would be your first target really here. If we use a better stop, if we use 15-minute stops, and yeah, you could have maybe get a little bit nicer. But anyway, so let's take a look then. EJ, Goldie. We'll do obviously analysis in a second. Yeah, gold yesterday was mad, man. I know a lot of people have lost lots of money on gold yesterday. So daily's kind of at the daily flip. 4 hour time frames just relaxing there, still with no real direction, no real volume either. That is fine and dandy. Take a look then at the lower time frames on the 30-minute, on the hourly, all that good stuff. You have support 1809. What do you have below 1809? That is the real question. You have another support down here, 1808. So that's quite a small zone. For sells below there. In terms of buying power, I mean, let's take a look, right? So we had a resistance and a support like right around them areas there. Potentially a buy above 1818 to continue back up to 1821. I think that could be alright. And then obviously a closure above 1822, sorry, would be great again. Let's take a look then at GJ. GJ come back up. So yeah, you just date break even there and you go, it's all good. Why would you be break even there? Well, just look to the left. It did actually make some sort of resistance here, which could act as support now. Was at the 162 level, so no bad, no bad. So good stuff. Let me just go here. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, I mean, buys above there. I do think that zone above is pretty nice. It seems to move pretty quickly yesterday in that area, which is great. For me, I didn't really like the buys there yesterday, just because we made low 1810 and then we just came straight up. I like holding this low quite a lot, and it has for a while now. So 1818 buy above there would be great. 1822 would be buys above there. Okay, nice strong candle would be great there. So I think that could be quite good later on, man. These buys as well would be beautiful. Where would target be 1830? That would be great. That would be great. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. I closed 70 at 1 hour res. Oh, nice. Yeah, random areas. Good stuff, good stuff. Buys are a little bit choppy. 1818. Where's the choppiness? We push down quickly here. We push up quickly here. We push down quickly here. We push up quickly here. We push down quickly here. So no, I think it's decent. Yeah, look, focus on what the actual candles did. This candle drove the whole zone. This candle, this bearish one, drove the whole zone. This then came back up. This then came back down. This one came back down. This one came back down. This one came back up. But look how vastly quick it moves from there to there. That's a 40, 50, nearly 50 pip zone. So I could take our money out of there. Alright, Max, how do you get rid of previous orders off screen? On Magic Keys? Oh, like you wanna get it off. Just go to the tools and actually click it off. Yeah, that's why I do it. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good for Goldie. GJ, obviously, we just talked about that previous trade you could do. Where would you want to take GJ? Okay, so obviously this is resistance here, 163. Yeah, there isn't much clean areas here right at this moment. The only real clear area is down there, which we have rejected. In terms of further below, yeah, it's not really too nice either. Not too nice. Upcoming rate hike's gonna be a disaster. Oh my god, yeah. I think better sells in GG would be below 161 and 940, below 30-minute and hourly zone, and still have 20 pips clean range. Yes, let's take a look. So the hourly it'd be 940, 30-minute would be 940. Yeah, it's a good idea. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, we just drive pretty quickly in there. I mean, even below that. 163, 270. Did you say 270? Oh, 372, yeah. Yeah, I think that could be pretty decent because you have, if you look to the left hand side there, what have you got? Buys there. Buys there. Yeah, nice buys. What's up, bro? Should I try to grow my 2,500 account or buy a funded? Grow it. Grow, grow, grow. Grow them, grow them. Yeah, I think the easiest option is just to grow a small account for the time being until you get it up. And then when you've already grown that and you've done well for that for like 6 months, then you already have like 10, 15k, so then you should be okay. So yeah, we'll see in this gold, this GJ. But man, I mean, this week's been pretty hard, man. I'm down like minus. Actually, well, I'm not personally down because that last trade I took, I'm up like 0.6, 0.5. But in terms of the trades taken on stream, taking one loss, one win, like 2 break evens. The loss is bigger than the win. So down like minus 0.1. Sorry, minus 1%, I think. But yeah, there just hasn't been much clean zones really. Apart from that GG one yesterday, there has been pretty lack of them. Max, will you take GJ close back in the range? Ooh. For a buy, it's pretty choppy in this area. Nah, I'd leave that area alone. Only 3 break evens? I think so, yeah. 3 break evens. Oh no, 2 break evens. 1 win, 6 break evens. Oh my god, 6 break evens. Yeah, man, it's been pretty painful. Obviously tomorrow, so much news. Yeah, we've got JPY news, we've got pound news, we've got USD and FP. So yeah, if we range all day today, it would not surprise me. So just remember that. Why do I say this? Well, because the fact that tomorrow there's huge news coming out, right? So why would you why would price want to move really, far and quickly in the day before? I'd probably just wait. Right, Max, you check the 5-minute trend line gold yet? Hi Max, is it a rule that Asian high lows must be taken every time? Yes, to take the fake out, yeah. Oh yes, oh yes. 5-minute trend line, what for? The maybe sells? Oh, sells, yes. Like that. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Gold buys. These are all pretty easy highs, to be fair. So yeah, I couldn't take that. But yeah, the sells could be good. Goldie 4 range, yeah, it's just ranging pretty hard. Oh yeah, guys, make sure to go and check out the new Q&A video. I did a Q&A. This one here. Yeah, just go through some tips and tricks and just questions that you guys have asked me. So I'll push this here. Just go check that out.
The 4 hour, the daily.
Oh. So then it's just a waiting game over here. Waiting game. Feels like I've said that all month, to be honest with you. March has been probably a slower start, I'd say. Slower start. There's been quite heavy news though at the start. Yeah, so. Can you spin the 5-inch round? Should it be on the Wix? Yes. Just go and check the G drive. But yes, should be on the Wix. It should have at least 2 touches. Should have a clean zone below for the closure. So, and it should close below all of it. So, yeah, closure below like 1812. That's support. Then ride back down. The zone's big enough. So, yeah. But then, yeah, 4 hour support's right there, man. So it's a tough one, to be honest. It's a tough one. These 4 hour supports get in my way, boy. They're in my way. They're in my grill. Is that EJ closing below? Yeah. I mean, the zone below is alright. Price moves quickly down, price moves quickly up. So yeah, you could maybe get something out of this. Oh, is that an hourly closure below? That's not bad. So new hourly, how is the hourly close on GJ as well? Ooh, also closed below. Closed on it really actually here. I'm still on webinar 20, so that is enough to push it. Yeah, just take your time. You'll learn them really as you go through the live streams with me. But yeah, just keep on doing them as you go along. Keep on rattling them. It's a nice top wick on the hourly. I actually quite like this EJ zone. Like some volumes coming in here. Like the stream, pump it up, yes. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump the likes up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Looking like a little volume there right at the start. Next support is 910 pips on EJ. Let's take a look. Which you made it Asian, but actually the zone as a whole is 22, so you just go break even there. Yeah. Jabol, jabol. Look at 15, the wicks. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, they made an Asian session. I'm not really asked. Yeah, that's all good. Broke previous statement high. Yeah, hourly's still correct though. Still okay. So we'll see. Maybe next 15-minute candle closing bearish again. Then you could do maybe a celery play. Not bearish, sorry. Maybe weak bullish. We'll see how this closes. GJ still holding that support, a little buyer support. So yeah, I mean, we'll have to wait and see, but I do think that zone below is pretty damn good. And there's just the top look of the hourly. Yeah, it's broken previous high, but it doesn't really matter if we then start rejecting through straight away. So yeah, when looking at the EJ trade we took yesterday, yeah, there's a little bit. I think that the zone wasn't as nice as I thought it was in terms of it. And the hourly, the hourly was the thing that caught me out. Didn't see this really. Resistance was there. I got in right there, and that's could act as support. So, but I'm not perfect. Let's take a look here. Sell stops on EJ. Yeah, we'll see. 7 minutes left at this closure. I'm probably just gonna wait for this closure. I think retest can be best to sell. Retest at 162, 140. But it's coming back above that zone and back above the 4-hour support. I would not be taking that there. Another top wick again. The doji break of the low could be interesting. 50 close below though, that's my only issue. So yeah, we have 8 minutes left of that candle. See how we close. Gold just came down, rejected again. Yeah, this zone is a danger zone for sells and gold. It's look how many times it's rejected. Oh, 1 second. Rejection, rejection. Rejection, 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 rejection. So many in that area. So you gotta be very, very careful. Like EJ's coming back up. Obviously the hourly has closed below, right? So we've got the whole hour for this to work out, which is great. So the more it pushes up, great, because what will happen is if we start reflipping, then we'll be rejecting this zone and we'll be moving into our new zone. So that's why I like it when it comes up and makes big top wicks. Wow, coming back up. Up, up, up and away. But yeah, I mean, in terms of, Yeah, I think loads of people asked me about Don's trade yesterday, and you know, all you gotta do is just manage risk, man. If you look at the trades that he loses, he's in them for a very long time, so you know it's not going well. Therefore, you can just manage. This dude is the how has he got 300 people watching him? I just do not know. I've watched him every single day, and he's lost money every single day. Losses you couldn't do anything about. Yeah, but you can look at me. For me, if I was Don, I would just look at gold me and look at the 15 and close above. But he's based on the 5, so you can't really do much about that. No, I thought Wick looks good. Yeah. Agreed. So yeah, we did a simulation yesterday. Oh my god, it was nasty. So if people are interested, it was GJ August 2021. My days, it was ass, bro. I took like 6 trades, like 4 losses. Maybe 3 losses, 1 win. Anyway, I was down 2%. Yeah, it was very, very hard. You need to remember though, that's the first time I've ever done negative on a sim. Man, it ranged for like 20 out of the 30 days. Which is pretty mad. And then when they did have moves, they just didn't play out at all. No resistance forming. It was nothing. Where do you have EJ buys or nowhere? Nowhere at the moment. Yeah, don't have any buys. It's too bearish. None of this zone's clean. There's no clean areas for me at all, really. So it's a no-go for me. Careful selling. GJ current daily has no high. What? Mine does. And a big one, quite a big one as well. Mine does. If EG buys above 144.830. Yeah, I mean, it pushes pretty quickly above that. That's true. It's all right, yeah. This is so choppy there, though, man. Nasty. Nasty. But yeah, so far this month, around about 2%. So far, not bad. Want to quickly get to 10% and then we can really chill out. But in terms of just big pumps like the gold one in the last days, just not one retest the whole of the day. Just what I was waiting for. All this just fucking nothing. Not one little pullback, not one little 30-minute bullish candle. I was having at 3 o'clock with news. But wow. But the good thing is when we come back above it later on, it's going to be hella clean. It's going to push good. Which will be nice. Yes, there's my gold chart. Yeah, I mean, I know sells are more likely because of just how the trend is, but man, the support there is heavy. Heavy duty support, 1812. Why will Asian low react off it and the whole of the NY reacted off it as well? Yeah, with a closure below would push. Yeah. Yep. If you get a closure below, potentially. Needs to be a very strong one. Oh, fuck off. You stretch my legs out. My legs are killing me from the gym. Ow. Oh. There you go. That's a bit comfier. Put the seat back as well. There we go. I see profit traders for years have break-even, small profits, or negative results since the beginning of the year. It's your price action in general for the last 2 months. Yeah, it's been okay though, I suppose. I think February was great. I think February was great. The only issue with February was that there wasn't the greatest pushes. They were quite small pushes. On the holiday they were quite good actually. I got a couple of big ones. But for the most part, for the whole month, there wasn't, good percentage gains, just like 2% wins and stuff. Yeah. It just trickled down, right? So hopefully that is the high of the hourly. It's just got to retest the previous supports. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, let's take a look. The 15 closed. Yeah, it closed quite strongly. So hopefully maybe this 30-minute. Not Ratchet, yeah, Ratchet's just mad. Hey man, you should look at the Basket conference. What does it do? What does it show me? Strength of the yen. Interesting. Is that another 15-minute bearish closure on GJ? Oh, it is as well. Break that low would be 17 pips. Hourly support's right there, man. Sucks because it's probably going to play out, but I don't really like taking them right at hourly supports. Yeah, it's 5 pips away. I think we'll just focus on EJ here. We'd probably look to get in on the break of the current low. So you go and you go, right, well I could get the flip. How much difference is that? That is 3 pips difference, to be fair. Yeah, I'd get the break of the current low. So you have a sell stop on over here in the break of the current low. 30-minute has broken previous high, but we're getting the rejection I want, so I'm not really too asked. The hourly's just made the top wick. It's closed below. What time did you break down GJ? Just at the start of the stream. When we were looking to take sells, we took the GJ sells. Look at all those candles, damn. They are getting smaller in bodies, that's the only issue you can see there. The stop would be like 15 pips, the zone's like 20. Fair dues. I saw the dude stream yesterday night. Those who follow his 1 to 5 RR usually win 10 to 15 and lost 70 pips last night. Who's this? You talking about Don? 4 hour DJ, no top work. Oh, mine does. Mine has a little nipple. Little nipple. It's like the yen index fund. Ah, okay. The only issue though with looking for stuff like that is, will you even base a trade when it starts pushing? It's like, I want to just focus on the candles. So 9 minutes left for the 30-minute. 9 minutes left. That'll be a salary play. Closes week. Gold not really doing anything still. So who blew their account yesterday? Who blew their account yesterday? I know some people would have, especially on gold. Some people definitely took buy stops, sell stops at ADP, lost the sells there because it couldn't continue. Then it came back down and tried again, and you lost it again. Then you came up, you looked at Don's stream, took Don's L. You definitely took some L's yesterday. Man, I left this shit alone. Ooh, nice. Lost in gold, then lost myself, but didn't take any trade. Also, only long. That's good then. So you only took one. Yeah, it didn't. The 15 didn't close above me. Yeah, looking like GJ is pouring down, but it's looking like maybe a little bit smaller candles, which is not the best. VI money yesterday in restaurant because of Women's Day. Do we have Man's Day? I swear we don't. Be aware of EJ now because it's already took liquidity off Asian lows. Could make a bullish move before melting. For me, it's just made a beautiful retest to the Asian lows, and now it's starting to reject. I took yesterday trade, but ended up a winner. Trade was lucky. Oh god, it's not good. That's not good. That is not good. Be careful, be careful. What's 30 time frame saying? It's either going to be flipping or closing. Yeah, I'm holding GJ sell. Yeah. Hopefully this can push. It is just at that hourly support. That's the only issue. How is this? Well, obviously this wiki is gonna close pretty bearish, right? What? Look at the last weekly candle as well. We ran up a lot. Yeah. Then we just retraced that whole way. Beautiful. EJ needs to borrow some volume for GJ. I think EJ is actually moving a little bit easier. This GJ is hovering around here. Let's look at EJ. Yeah, EJ's candles are bigger. My sell stop is like 154. 154. So yeah, yesterday took one L1 win. It wasn't too bad. Yesterday, compared to every other people. What does it mean? What do they mean by this Ponzi scheme, though? A PAM account. But when did he do that? He didn't advertise any of it. Interesting. Three minutes left for this closure. Looks like it's going to close weak bullish. I don't know if GJ looks good, you know. I think EJ looks better. This was a closure as well for the day. So realistically, the only thing that was there is that. So I think it's okay. I think gold looks good to buy. 1818. We'll take a look at that. Do 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 do. Down, down. Beautiful wick there. See how this 30 closes in a minute's time. GJ 50-minute structure still breaking in the lows, not the highs, not bad. My only issue for GJ is that the candles are getting smaller and smaller. Yo Max, does someone else MT5 on mobile get bugged? My price on right doesn't show. Go on chart and put it on. You might have accidentally taken it off. Half an hour left for London Open. Not bad, not bad. I tried everything, but it doesn't work. I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, 30-minute candle closed. We closed weak bullish. So if we break the low, it'll be a celery play. That'll be flipping the hourly as well. So great. I will tie until GJ hits 1-1. Right, I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. I'm watching my phone, so don't worry. EJ coming back up. It is the start of the 30-minute and there's no bottom wick, so that's okay. Just go wait a little longer here. And gold's still nothing. Still nothing. Could be nice to go down. Yeah. Someone else still holding. Oh, is this gold? GJ? Wow. I wouldn't be. For me, yeah, I might have to do a webinar on that because I can just see this happening. The candles are just getting smaller. Obviously, that was a big candle. This one's getting doji. This one's small. It's not pushing as hard as it wants. It is at hourly support. So for me, here I'd probably have tried to come break even. I think. Yeah. I might break even. Nice. So EJ's breaking the high of the previous 30-minute again. So yeah, looking like it's probably gonna fake out the zone now on the hourly. 25 minutes left. So I'm going to delete. Obviously, if we reflip and we start pushing, then great. I'm just going to jump back in. But for right now, I'm going to delete my sell stop. So yeah, let me just go here. What's the most losses you've had in a month last year? I'll have to find out. Yeah, I'm having much more losses last year because of the fixed lot. So 9 losses, 12 there, 12. Yeah, November 12. But as I said, we've changed so much stuff from last year to this year, which is great. And you can see that already. I mean, here, look, I was taking. Much better now. What's some rejection? What exactly is in your mentorship? How does it look like? I was thinking about buying it next month. So what you get included is you get access to 2 Telegram chats. So the first one is where I put my signals in and all of the webinars and simulations in there. But however, I also have a G drive. So the G drive is where you can go, and that's where all the education is. So you get access to the G drive. And this is where I post. So I post everything in Telegram. So if you're up to date, you can just go through Telegram. For example, the sim we did yesterday, I posted there. But I also, at the end of the week, add them all to the G drive. All of the past simulations I've ever done are all here. Okay, same with GJ. The Excel work, these are all of the backtesting sheets, but there's going to be actually a lot less of them now because I'm just going to use the whole stream ones, just so you can compare your sims, results with mine. And then homework, obviously we do homework every 2 weeks. I give you on the first week, the second week you do it, and tomorrow we're going to be going through the homework. You can either send me the homework or just do it as a group together. So yeah, we go through, I put on random charts and we go through exactly where you want to take buys, where you want to take sells, and you guys basically mark out the charts for me, and then we go through it as a group and we agree, we disagree with each other. We go through all of that every single week, and we do like 6 or 7 charts there. And then you get access to obviously all the setups as well, so you can just see the setups, and then all the webinars. We have over 60, I think now. Nearly 60, yeah, over 60 webinars going through from start to finish: psychology, risk management, our setups, what times to trade, candlesticks, how to run positions, draw support and resistance, all this kind of stuff. These are huge videos, and and they're all in order as well of me doing them. So I add on. So for example, there's Forex entries somewhere down here, and then obviously Forex entries 2.0, just adding on to it. And yeah, gold 5-minute trend line, all that kind of stuff. So basically, if you got the mentorship, you get all the signals that I post out. You get 2 to 3 simulation sessions every single week live that you can do with me. You have access to the Zoom for London and NY. So you have access to NY. You have homework every day, homework every 2 weeks, and then you get a webinar every week as well. So yeah. Yeah, you also get a private OnlyFans chat, so if you want to see my big rig. Did you plan to update the education? You have changed a lot of things in the last few months. Yes, I am. I'm going to rejig the whole thing. Probably for maybe May. Yeah, I'm gonna go through the videos, see which ones I can add, and I'm gonna make it more set in place of order and stuff. But yeah, so obviously you can do the maths, right? So like last month, it cost £50 a month. Yes, £50 a month. So if you think last month, some of these were on holiday, but I did discuss all of them. So let's just say that you made 12% last month. Then you can do the maths, right? If you made 12%, did you have if you had £1,000 account, you made 120. You can pay your £50 per subscription with it, and you also made £70, and you've also had a shitload of education. So that's why I quite like the monthly, because you get your money back, and it's not just a straight up fee of like 500 quid. You can pay lifetime if you want, but yeah. How do I get access to the G Drive? I am new to the group. Did you join? When did you join? Anyway, what you should do is go to the chat, go to this one, go to the pinned message. There. Click on G Drive link. If it doesn't let you, it'll send an invite, and I'll accept it for you. Fix lot size versus percentage on magic keys. Percentage is the way to go for me. Yeah. So yeah, hitting 10% months. Obviously, it's been pretty slow towards the start. I hit about 16%, 17% on February, and March at the moment I'm rocking around 3.5. So it's okay. It's okay at the moment. Yeah, I have like 137 people, I think it is. And it's growing, like every day, 3 or 4 people join every single day, pretty much, which is great stuff. And I'm gonna get the people in the chat to talk more very soon. Okay, get your mics on, boys, and get everyone in here. GJ fake out buys. I think a fake out buy would have to be above 162, 100, back above 4 hours support, or so even above 4 hours. It was that one, I suppose. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. $47 likes, amazing work, guys. Amazing work. So yeah, so you joined the chat. Did you send me an invite for that? I'll just check. Yeah, you did. Nice. Okay, I'll accept it for you. There you go. All good, all good. So looking like DJ is retracing. What a big top wick though in that level. Interesting. 15 pip stop, 21 pip gain. If it reflips, EJ's pushing up. So yeah, still not nothing yet. Still nothing much yet. Moment in time. Gold 30-minute Asian highs are right at resistance. I'm anticipating a closure above and drive up. Range is clean. The prices always went fast in there. Let's take a look. You're saying like above 18-16? Yeah. Push pretty quickly. Maybe to 18-18 and go break even. Don't ask. Gold closing above. Gold is not closing above anything for me at the moment. Yeah, I want above that resistance here, 1818, I think. That would be great for us. Oh, this goalie doesn't, this GJ doesn't look too bad now. It's a great rejection. Still though, that fucking hourly support is right there. Close, strongly bullish. A bloody hourly. It's a great top wick. But yeah, the hourly support is a bit annoying. How long have we got left of this hourly? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Wait for 1 hour close? Yeah. Hey Max, do you check how much the 4 hour candle moves before entering a trade? No. A 4 hour candle can move as much as it wants. Like, look at gold. Look at that 4 hour candle. So, no. I never get affected about how that... What I do is, if it does push down, then, and it pushes down quite a long way, then yeah, retracement is needed, but the 4 hours sometimes doesn't show that. 15 looks terrible on GJ. Yeah, very low volume, eh? It's just got a nice rejection, that's all that's enticing me, but we'll see. And GJ is about to snap. From there to there, there's only 6 pips as well rejected, so ugh. Bro, you're afraid of the market today. Your face, 100%. It's not nice. I don't think there's any clean zones really, apart from this EJ. Oh yes. And if it's like that, then I just back off. I'd be more critical. I'm not jumping in. I just wait a little bit longer. That's all I do. But yeah, as I said again, man, like yesterday, the amount of people that would have taken so many L's and would have over-risked and over-traded. It's just a shame. It's just a shame because all you got to do is just sit on your hands and just have a good day and not be on the chart. And then after, the next week will be probably clean as a whistle. And you'll be like, man, I could have made all this money. But it's down to you, man. Like, just like that Instagram that person asked me. This one here. I'm disciplined all day, every day, till the market becomes shit like this. So annoying as I could be profitable for days, weeks, then it would be a typical day I force a trade, then become 1% down, possible force another trade later in the day, then revenge trade. It's literally one of the only barriers I've left to come over. And then he goes, any tips? It's like, what do you mean, any tips? What is the tip you've told me? You're disciplined, you're very good until a shit day comes and then you do bad. So avoid the shit day. All you've got to do. That's the only way to do it. There's no tips and tricks that I can give you. The only thing is stop taking trades when the price action is ass. Be more critical. When you know there's news coming up, when you know there's bad price action, just back off. Just back off. One day out of 252 days in the year, do you think it's gonna affect your win rate later on by just skipping a day? No. It's gonna save you a load of money. You know exactly what you need to do. You told me, just now implement it. Stop taking trades in shit zones. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Like, I was looking at gold yesterday, and everyone was looking to try and take gold trades here. Like, all in this area, like, trying to look for buys and sells and stuff. I'm like, bro, this is shit. Just leave it alone. This is rangy. News literally just came out here, 1:15, and it's still ranging. If I would have taken the opposite of what I was thought was going to happen in the next 5 years, I'd be rich. Yes. Well, yeah, that's what I was always thinking, you know. Don't use. Yeah, could be a man buying. So well, no, I was thinking that, like, just get people who just can't trade and just whack them in a room, give them £1 million each to trade, and then you're gonna be doing pretty well. So it's gonna be an hourly fake out in EJ. Very nice. It looks like people on GJ may have a little bit of a rough time here. Yeah, I'm trying to think, people are talking about this gold buy, I'm trying to think of how I would have managed. Obviously, you got in on the break at high. Let's just say you did, right? Stop loss was there. Wasn't it? Right there. So what could you have done, right? Let's take a look. So, price comes down. Okay, the first thing that I see is that the 30-minute close is bearish. Okay, let's take a look where it closed bearish. Did it close bearish below? Yes. It closed bearish below previous res. So that's when you first start to go, ooh, this isn't looking too good. Okay. Now, you got two options here. You could just close there for minus 30 pips. Or, because you know it's bearish and you've closed below, all you can do is wait for this candle to make the top wick. When it comes there and rejects, you can maybe just close off there. Because obviously the next candle has to make a top wick. Then maybe when it reflips. Yeah. So, you cannot tell Don off for taking that trade when you fuckwits didn't even manage risk. You know? If you look at this now, stop loss was, let's say, like 70 pips. You could have really closed either 20 or 30 if you just had it in your own brain and not tried to copy someone from start to finish. It was an hourly trade, yeah, but it doesn't mean you don't have to manage on anything else, you know. I know the hourly still closed bullish above, but the 30 did not. And the 30 rejected pretty hard. That's how I would have managed it anyway. Don hit 60 stops. Yeah, but Don wants to, Don wants to hit his 60 stops. That's what he planned for. Okay, but he also makes his trades back when he adds lots on and stuff like that. But if you're getting vexed that he did that, well, there was options to get out. Options to get out. So you just, you need to make your own plan as well. You can't get vexed at someone doing that and you're not even managing it yourself. You know it was going wrong. Everyone knows it was going wrong for the time here, especially when you got an extra closure here, another closure below. You could have just closed that there, and that would have been minus 3.6. Sorry, minus 36 pips instead of 70. So there's loads of ways to manage. It would have been a nice close back in the zone. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, GJ coming back up. What does daily flip mean? It means when the daily is flipping direction, changing direction. So if price comes up to this level, the daily will be flipping from bearish to bullish. So yeah, coming towards 8 o'clock in 4 minutes time, this sweet nothing for me at all. I mean, let's take a look at GJ. GJ is pushing up, to be fair. $15 pip stops, closure back above Asian lows. Could be interesting. Change color and candle, yeah. Who in the chat tried to sell GJ? I swear there are some people getting wrecked. Yes, yes. Guys, you just gotta relax. Same thing as yesterday, this morning. I'm coming 1 second. 1 second, Karen. EJ's coming up. I mean, yeah, it's a closure back in the zone, but the range is pretty bad. EJ, yeah, same kind of thing. It's just ranging, man. The 4 hour looks shit. Let's take a look and see who else is streaming today. See if they've got any trades over here.
People like you need to get the shit beat out of them.
They have enough to get it, so.
Oh, nothing from Champion this morning.
Because you're not losing any money anymore. Okay, you're hitting break even. This is a very, very good thing because you're not spaffing all of your money away, and it makes
Phoenix. Taking trade already. Oh, GJ minus 17. Oh, he might have to take those cells. Is he in this gold or not? He says I'm not in this trade, but does he? Because sometimes he. Not in yet. Okay. Wow. See, like that stuff I don't like. My guy put on his thing. Not in yet. It's clearly gone over his line, so everyone in the chat's gone for it. And now, because it isn't working out, he's saying, I'm not in this trade. Bruh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Don't do people like that. That's not fair. I'm going to do that, guys. I should do that yesterday. Oh, go, guys. I'm not in my EJ trade anymore. Like, what the fuck? That's Shan. Okay, so, I mean, a strong closure. Nice. Back above. Lower wick is pretty hard as well. Do you have any confidence for it to continue up apart from that? Just a strong closure. I mean, the zone to move this candle could be okay. Stop loss would be what? 22 pips. 22 pips, sorry. This is rangy through Asian, but we have volume now. It's a nice little wick. I mean, what you could potentially do is, if it makes a nice little wick and reflips, I think you're going to get a nice push. And then mirror candles like this. Yeah, and it's also hourly closure above. I think I might have to go for this. Such a nice low work as well there. 162, 159. Where can we continue to? What did it do before? Yeah, 162, 360 would be nice. And then furthermore, probably back up to 163 if I could. 162. Yeah, we played football last night. We didn't win, unfortunately. I was fucking raging. Not a vibe. So yeah, to closure above. Obviously, I will be deleting my buy stop if it breaks previous lows. So we'll see. How is Goldie doing? Yeah, it's still just ranging about. No trade date. Don't you agree that $1,000 I'm risking 1 to 2% is a lie? What? Don't you agree that $1,000 account risking 1 to 2% is a lie? What do you mean is a lie? What? It's just lying. You can't do it. I can't risk 1% on a £1,000 account. It's physically impossible. It breaks physics. What do you mean? $1,000 risking 1 or 2% is great. You're risking £10 to £20 a day. It's only full margin. No, not possible. 1% is a myth. Till what time you have your Asian range? Oh, 5:30, 5:45, like that end, yeah. Yeah, it's a good, especially the trade like this. If this starts running, you can maybe hold on for quite long. time. Indeed. Current candle or previous? Let's probably use previous. The only little discrepancy I have is that it hasn't closed above this support. About the 15. Yeah. But I think with volume and how nice the low wick is, I think we're going to be okay. The main fact is we're closing below, above all this crap here. And closing back above Asian lows is what I care about as well. Down, down, down. So you look at the daily. We're coming back above daily support as well. So there's quite a lot of higher time frame conferences here. 4 hour will be coming back above. The next 5-minute close is below. I'll delete, yeah. 8 minutes left. Close your back in the zone for me. This is the zone. Close back above to fill the range. Rejects 162. 4 hour support. Would be respected if we start coming back above it. The daily time frame will be coming back above support as well. There's quite a lot of conferences if we break that high. Yeah. Did you have a 100k funded account? Yes. For 9 months. Today close. Can you tell me why you drew your 1818 area on gold and not the 1816 area? Yeah, I mean, because mainly the fact that there was support here. But I see what you mean, from 1816 to 1818 is not bad, but for me, it's just, if I look here, right? First of all, this zone's bigger. It's 40 pips. 30, 40 pips. If you draw from this zone to this zone, you actually have a lot of wicks here. Wicks there. So I think, in terms of zones, this is zone 1. And this is zone 2. So I think it's just a zone from zone to zone. That makes sense for me. A 100k is my for funds or FTMO. I use funded talent, but you're not here anymore. I need a stretch today, man. I actually haven't done yoga recently. Just haven't had time, man. It's been too busy. With the traffic to the left. Yeah, well, the thing that I'm looking at is that this was through Asian session, which was kind of rangy, not really doing anything. However, with volume, which was here, here, and here, we seem to move pretty quickly. And there. So yeah. Oh, still how you have the account to receive payments? No, well, to be honest with you, by like the 8th, 9th month, I wasn't really using it anyway because I already had the funds in my normal account. But yeah, Fun and Talent closed down. They I didn't. They stayed with Canada regulations or some shit. I don't know. Got left more, yeah. And just with the higher time frame conference as well, I quite like it. So we'll see. We'll see what the score is. Double risk? No, I only do double risk on the fake outs. Yeah, the bearish fake outs. Got a lot of time. The more for me here, this fucks around here and doesn't break that low, and then finally breaks it, we're gonna get more of a drive, which is great. Obviously, if it breaks the low, then it'll be interesting. But I don't think it's gonna break that. Look at the hourly support now. So yeah, we just gotta wait a little bit longer for this. But I think once it starts going, it's gonna be pretty good. 138. We're probably gonna get 150 by the end of probably next week. 150 people. That's sick, man. That's like what, 5 classrooms? That's mad. That's a madness. And yeah, big update with the G Drive and stuff. I'm gonna make it all, and I'm also gonna get a website done, so make it a little bit more professional in that aspect. Next couple of months. So great, even more of a low wick, good stuff. I'm just going to delete if it breaks that low, but if it doesn't and respects this level, rebounds off, you're going to get the drive I've been looking for. 15 is closing in 3 minutes time. Not really asked about that, it's mainly the 30 that I care about, because of how strong that previous candle was. Do 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 do. Oh, we got another subscriber here. Thank you very much, Kevin, for subscribing. Make sure you like the stream, guys, as well. 210 people in here. Still waiting patiently. Yeah, still waiting patiently. Just waiting for this gold, this GJ to reflip. Anything else is probably not on the cards here. But I'm telling you right now, and I can't stress it enough. Remember these days. Remember these days when prices have been a little bit harder. Just remember, life. You know, trading isn't as easy as you think, and some days it feels great. You've got to identify the days where maybe, you know, the charts are not looking as good, and just leave it. Literally, the whole of the sim that we did here there's nothing here. But the good thing is, when you've got 2 pairs, you know, you can actually just focus on the other one. But we were going through here, and like it was just awful. Yeah, basically, yeah, nothing here. Look at that. That's just nasty. Wowza. Nasty, nasty. Just, yeah. So here I was waiting for a retracement. So this is great. You know, makes a low. Comes back, retests. Don't think it worked out. Or did it? Nope. Oh no, it did. Yeah, this is the one that did work out. I was thinking. Nice. There was another one though that didn't work out somewhere. But yeah, it was just very, very choppy, man. Chap. How was your July 2021 July backtest GJ? Let's take a look. July backtest GJ was the last one we did, which was here. So we started on 15% and we ended on 22. So yeah, like 7% GJ that month, which isn't bad. Not the best, but isn't bad. TJ just made an M on the 3 minute. So where would people be looking to take sells again? I mean, it's still at that fucking hourly, but maybe we'll see. See how it does it. See how it does it. When I have to squint my eyes to find a trade that's assigned to chill. Yeah, just think that. Like, really have some self-awareness. Go, right, why am I asking loads of people what to take here? This, therefore, it must be harder than the naked eye should find it. Therefore, I should leave it. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so coming down over here. Delete. Stop. Broke. Rev. Those. GJ looking tasty. Well, we said that fucking 3 hours ago and it still didn't want to break it. But yeah, it's broken the low. Hasn't broke the hourly yet. With volume, hopefully it should just drive. But yeah, I'm not too fast. However, EJ, maybe the next hourly or so. Yeah, looking at JPYs are getting some more volume in. Dude. 62 likes, guys. Come on, give me 200 likes. 200 likes. 150 likes for a Magic Keys giveaway. A Magic Keys giveaway. This beautiful device. Takes seconds out of your day to just whack a little like. Helps me out as well. Gets good traction for like the algorithm and stuff. So people can come and watch and trade properly. And not get hit out over here. Let's take a look at what Ibsy's in. Oh, he's in the gold now. Let's take a look at where we could continue to. Yeah. It's fucking washed, bro. A wash. See, how much drawdown did he take? Oh, quite a lot. Nice. Let's take a look who else is on. There isn't many, though. Oh, did Wixie take a trade last night? No. No. Misa, no. That rejection. It still hasn't actually broken the low yet. Very nice. Very nice indeed. King Abe needs to smoke something in pot. Do you use on-screen vision? Yeah, on-screen vision's great, man. You should threaten to end stream like Roger does, always seems to work. Well, yeah, maybe in a day where I was going to take a trade, but right now they're looking like there's not going to be too much. Look for close below 95 on GJ. For 65 target if it gets there. Yeah, I think it's like 720. Buyers could work out on GJ, but very happy to the left. Very choppy to the left. Only looking for buys above 162.373. Yeah, we'll see. If it rejects this level again, I'm definitely taking it though. I just think. But I think we're gonna break it here. We're gonna break. Oh, look at EJ flying. 11 minutes left. Oh, the only issue is my stops are gonna be huge. No. Closure below. Stops are gonna make 33 pips. Yeah. You thought on Don's stop loss at 40 to 60 pips. Sometimes I'm doing 40 to 60 pips recently on Sims, but I aim for 40 to 60 pips stop TP. So yeah. So breaking the low, doing a 30-minute celery play. For me, it's not really a celery that I want to take just because of how strong the past candle closed. But yeah, I actually get rid of this. Drive, GG, you twat. Drive! How could you get in now with a 15? You could use maybe that 15 support, but that's not giving you much room, I suppose. First 5-minute closure below, no bottom wick. It should really drive from here, to be fair. Does it make sense in the R to R? Ah, it's actually not that bad, to be fair. It's still that fucking hourly support there, though, man. That's putting me off. Yeah, it's still respecting it still at the moment. The thing is, if you break the low of the previous candle, the next one could find its way back to 161 at 725. Yes. Yep, 725 sounds good. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Commission free for gold on Blueberry Market, but 7 USD per lot on IC Market. Is it worth change to Blueberry? Maybe, you know? Maybe. Push and P, broke the low, 5-minute time frame. Let's see if we can push. Just got past the hourly support now. Do 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 do. Seven minutes left. Yeah, we could use maybe 15 stops on EJ here. Yeah, I think the reason why I see is just because it's the biggest broker, therefore has the most liquidity, therefore it's the most less likely to fail in any sort of way, right? It's got the most clients, so it's just kind of put my money where I know it's kind of safe. I never heard of Blueberry until Don took it. Don had it, so I don't know if I trust. Like that. Just got to 10 pips, go stop us to break even. See if we can drive. Gold pushing. Oof. Push and P, push and P. So yeah, I mean, it was all right. I mean, the actual zone in terms of it was okay, you know. 23 pips, your stop loss is 20 something pips for me, especially with the hourly closing like that. Oh, good. It was 80% of 20 pips. Nice, Tommy boy. Where did you get in? On the 15 at 162. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh shit, EJ's done it as well. 5 minutes left. Not a bad stop. Ooh. Go on, Goldie. Get out of this zone. That's a nice strong 5 minute. First trade of the week. Wow. Just shows hasn't been too much. Yeah, I mean, maybe I should. Nah, I think these candles for me way strong. I just want to wait for that close. There's only 6 minutes left. And there we go, 770 looking good. Is there any zone below? $5.20. Let's see if my 65 target gets hit. Yeah, 65. Oh my god, EJ, no. It will fill the zone before any retest. Yes. Yeah, it's a clean zone, man. That's why I wanted it. Was the R to R okay in this one? 28 for 20? Nah, a little bit off. So yeah, I mean, this is okay. For me, I stayed out of it because of the fact the hourly was so strongly bullish. Yeah, it was the break of the low, but it is hourly support. But you would have got something out of it. Stop us to break even. You would have got overall, yeah, like 18 pips. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I think now EJ and GJ are probably done now. It's probably just gold. See if we can get a closure above here. To be honest. Yeah, I'm only waiting for gold. If I do take anything during London, yeah. Let me EJ below is also clean. Wick fill. Is it? It's alright. It's alright. Look at that, GJ retrace, so yeah. Well, other people who close from there. If you didn't, it's a bit of a shame. It got pretty low though. Very close to 750 as well. 750, good psychological level. Oh, come on, goalie. Get out, brother. 8:30, still got a lot of time left though. But yeah, overall this week's been so boring. But that's just what trading is for you, man. For a lot of time it's just waiting, and then when it's choppy it's just very painfully boring. Oh, 4 hours in the wrong place. Yeah, this goalie is really not. moving anywhere. To be honest with you now, obviously it's just been 8 o'clock. You know, I think we may stay in here until tomorrow. Unfortunately, just because of that news tomorrow. I'm break even on an EJ. Nice. Nice. So yeah, 30-minute just closed bullish here. 30 on EGJ closed bearish. To get down to that low. Yeah, it's 13 pips for 17 pips stop. Not bad. But not the greatest. Oh, and see Dr. Dollar as well took an L. Wow, everyone took an L today. So L's for everyone, apart from us. Also came back to break even on GA, but I'm trusting the process. Not gonna let my emotions run my decisions. Say without fear, Marcus Douglas. Nice. Yeah, I think you should be okay. Especially how it's a 30-minute closure. Get down to them wicks 727. Again. We took a what L as well on EJ, so it was an L. Yeah, yesterday. Today. I mean, today. Goldie rejecting again. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Sam, for subscribing. Wow, we're getting a lot of subscribers today. Good stuff. Some new people over here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. As I say, guys, make sure to go follow that. Watch that Q&A. People asking me tips about getting out the break-even stage. What pairs to trade. Where to trade them. So, yeah, make sure to go and take a look at that. It's snowing here in Manchester. Yes, it's snowing here in Leeds as well. I like a bit of snow as well, so that's well good. It was cold though. Last 2 nights, I'm like, oh my god, that is freezing. And 10 pips took a loss as well. Fucking hell, everyone took a loss. Oh my god, me and yeah, Connor took this trade just a bit earlier. Maybe the break of that high somewhere there. I waited for it to break the high previous. I did think that was it. That's normally quite a good Connor setup that he likes to take. Right, so while we're waiting, we'll do a little Wordle, and we'll do maybe a little game of chess. Keep the brain going with these fucking boring-ass charts. But yeah, like, you know, if you are just on the break-even side, or maybe just a little bit negative, like my signals are this week, you know, minus is minus 0.9. It's okay, man. Don't worry about it. Don't fret. It's just about the overall, right? That GJ trade I also took here as well, which was a 1.4% gain, but I didn't have time to write the signal, man, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, just don't rush the process. Just keep on going. All the emotions is just not needed at all, right? Okay, so there's an R not in there. There's an E at the end. No A. Plate. There's no A. That's the one that I wanted to kind of do. There's no R in it as well either. Boxer. Ah, boxer. Nice one. Ah, shit. E R. Oh, we didn't really get much from there. We didn't get much from there. Go on, Goldie. Get up, boy. Gold is in terrible range, yeah, but if it breaks, I think we're going to get some nice retracements. And now I'm happily, because we've held support here for over a day. Spire. Spy RE. Okay. Oh. RE, so. There's only A-E-I-O-U. Where? Oh my god. Atashi, you are a G at this. Atashi gets it. You got it yesterday as well. Like, second go. My god. GJ is so confused that I hurt himself. Yes, GJ is. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I suppose. Yeah, it's true. This though is a bit nasty. Below, yeah. Below that line could be alright. GJ on the 15's made the top wick. What do you think, bro? Yeah, potentially. I mean, we'll have to see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's go to the left. This is, see, my only issue is this. Look at all this traffic. This was at peak time. 9 o'clock, 9:30, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Obviously, there might be news there, but I don't know. I don't think it's that clean. The only thing that's clean is there, but yeah, I don't know. I think in terms of market structure and all that, I don't want to be jumping in. Oh, go on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. EJ, I was just one put away from my stop loss. Now I'm break even. Lucky. Oh my god. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Yeah, I'm probably going to focus on gold here. I don't think I like EJ that much. Gold might give us a fake out. There's nothing for that yet. Why would gold give us a fake out? It hasn't even closed above yet, and the zone above is pretty clean. Looking good, looking good. So then you got to go, right, is it going to be the 30 minute? Is it going to be the 15? How big's the zone? Well, stop loss is going to be 33 pips. The zone is 30 pips. What do you show me here? GU? Yeah, it looks clean as hell. Looks clean, clean, clean. What do you think about GU? Yeah, man. Clean candles. Next candle close. Makes a little wick. Flips. Yeah, should be good. It's very clean. Wait for a retest. Yeah, you could do. How far has it moved? Yeah, it's moved 20 pips already. Yeah. Either the retest or just the lower wick. If the lower wick comes further down, then yeah. Very clean sometimes is the pain and yes, true. That is true. That's why you gotta wait for a low wick, you know. Agreed. Man, we still got 40 minutes, man. We can even get a closure above here. Nice. Yeah, man. Stops are getting a bit too wide for this zone, unfortunately. What I mean by that is, look, right, if I took a buy in here, stop loss would be 37 pips. The zone is 35, but if we start continuing up a little bit higher, it's just going to make the R off by quite a significant margin, which is a bit annoying. Few minutes to 15 candles close, maybe a low wick and flip, potentially. It's just so high in that zone. I wouldn't use current candle either. Maybe you could form a celery. Yeah, it could do. It could do, that is true. And this as well, this is another thing, right? Gold just blasted off here, right? It just ran, 40 pips. Now, what I would do back in the day is I'd look at how to try and take this trade. I go, well, maybe I could have done that break of the high and this closed bullish, but there's nothing there. It's just moved up. It's just pushed out of a range. There was no confirmation. So that isn't a trade that you can physically take. Okay? If you decide to try and think to take this trade, what are you going to be doing? Well, you're going to be taking some really bad trades just on breaks of highs and zones, trying to hope it does that move again. Okay, so you got to remember that some candles do just push randomly, with a bit of news, bit of volume, just kicks it in. If there's no confirmation, there's no trade. And don't try and sit there for hours trying to think, oh, how could I have got this? Maybe I could have waited for the 5 minutes to close above and then just go for it. It's like, no, there's loads of resistance. If you get into that habit of looking at one trade that worked out and then you try and replicating that all the time, you're going to be in some serious trouble because, it's just a push. It's just a little volume spike. It's good. This creates bad habits, yes. Because what will happen is you're just focusing on all the trades that are happening right now, but not the bigger scale. You've got to focus on doing it 1,000 times, doing it 10,000 times. Would it still have an 80% win rate, 70% win rate? If so, great. If not, you don't know, then it's useless, okay? So you've got to remember that. Okay? Got to remember that. So important. I bet King Abe took gold buys. No, he took gold sells and lost minus 18. Traders reality channel guy teaches this to be formation. Max, would you do a video on bad profits? Sure. Sure. Great idea. I'll do that for this week webinar. Great idea. Because there's quite a lot of them, you know. There's taking trades that you shouldn't. There's holding trades on that you shouldn't. Managing maybe a bit too early. You know, there's a lot of different things that can make you have bad habits. But one of the main ones is taking a trade after taking a losing trade again. So what I mean by that is taking an L, like yesterday, let's say gold, you tried to take an L, like you took an L like there when this news came out and you were just expecting a drive to fill this zone. You took the L there, and then when it comes back down again and breaks that low, you take it again, and then you lose again. That is the worst, because you know, you've tried it the first time, it hasn't worked out, nothing's changed, your entry wasn't off. You've tried it, it didn't work out. When you go for it again and take 2 L's, it's like, wow, 2 straight full L's in literally 2 50-minute candles is not healthy at all. So you've got to be able to know that if you take a trade, if it loses, you can go for re-entries if your entry was either too early or maybe a little bit, you know, wrong in terms of maybe, you know, you're a bit aggressive in the entry. But if you took a trade and your entry was fine, it was all reasonable, and it didn't work out, just leave it. Just leave it alone. I promise you it'll help you a lot. Yeah, exactly. Well, Don said it perfectly yesterday. He says, no matter how many followers someone has, no matter how many thing you want, you know, anything that someone has on, you know, the Forex industry or whatever they say, I'll always do my own back testing on it. I'll do my own thing, right? Don't just trust someone else's wholeheartedly. You've got to go back test it. And that's why with the mentorship, we go through sims. I show you. So, that leads to trade range. Yes, Stevie boy. Also, Steve, is that Steve, my Steve? The Steve, like Yorkshire Steve. I always think it is, but I don't know if it actually is. It could be just a random Steve. I'm pretty sure that is your last name, though. I've always thought it was you, but I haven't actually specifically asked you. And also, apparently Brian is banned from the chat, but I haven't banned them, so I don't know who did. Brian was coming on and just trolling me. No, I'm Derby Steve. Yeah, you are Derby Steve. Not Yorkshire Steve, Derby Steve. Buy stop on gold. Stop loss is 42 pips for a 30 pip gain. It's huge, man. Unless it makes a nice lower wick. Yeah, only way to use that is to use this as a nice RTR is to use current low. So we'll see, man. If it pushes down, maybe gets to this level, then reflips, breaks the high, then potentially. You mean Brian? Yeah, Brian came on and started fucking trolling me. He started like putting on going, oh, scammer and stuff like it. You little shit. Little shit bag. Come on, just push down a little bit lower, because obviously we do have volume, which is great. We do have direction, so getting on the break of the high and just pushing could be decent for us. $13 pips. I just, man, is retesting the previous support. Could have maybe gone the retest there. How would that have done? 32 pip stop, 36 pip gain. That's not bad. That is not bad. At all. At all. I need at least 15 pip wick for Goldie. Yeah. Yeah, it's 16 pips now, 17 pips now, so a break of the high would be good. So yeah, I mean, the more it comes down, great, because then I've got a celery play, right? However, I would want the 30 to close above there. So we'll see. Have you used FX Replay for backtesting? No, I have not actually. But I should be getting a new simulation backtesting software today. Beautiful low wick. So how much is it from the flip now? Nearly 14, 15 pips, nice. So yeah, probably could do the flip. Yeah. Thing is, though, there is 7 minutes left, so I do think that this is just making the lower wick, and then it's just going to start to push. So I'm going to have my buy stop on, I think. Should I get a break of the high or not? That is the thing. 16 pips stop the break of the high isn't bad. Are you going to use buy stops? Yes. Oh shit. There we go. So yeah, I've got a buy stop on over here. The flip of this candle. But gold has no top wick. Yeah, the candle right now doesn't have a top wick, but it will when it flips when I enter. Not waiting for the 1 hour to close. Yeah, it's 6 minutes left, that is true. I probably still have it on anyway, but yeah, you're right. Because it's probably not going to close then. How long have we got left? I still got 5 minutes. Where's your stop loss? It'll be current candle low. Do you trade only 3 pairs? Gold, EJ, GJ? Yes. I'm getting in on the flip of the new candle after it makes a bottom wick. Ooh, very nice. Yeah. GJ's reflipped. Yeah, it's looking a little bit choppy. It's already kind of filled that zone, which is fair. So it's goldy, goldy, goldy. Oh, there's a new scammer on the block. Stop loss matters 01. Be careful because they've got 24,000 followers that they've just fucking bought. So be careful. Stop loss matters 01. Yeah. I think gold did fake out. Well, it hasn't. But maybe fake out range. Yeah, Asian range if it gets there. Could become a great swing trade even. That is a big W. Yeah. We'll see, you know. We'll see. Imagine that people that bought just because of breaker resistance. Yeah, exactly. Well, then they'll learn their lesson, not do it, not to take an impulse. They will learn from their mistakes. Fucking hell. That King Abe's mentorship is expensive. $150 a month? God dang. my god. For impulse. So we closed bearish on the 15. Is still an opportunity for a celery. 30-minute closed bullish above resistance. But yeah, it's looking a bit mad at the moment. When it breaks that low, I'm probably gonna leave it. We'll see. I give it a bit more time. No, it hasn't closed back in the zone. The next closure back in the zone is up there, right? This is the last support. So it's still bearish, right? It's not like it's closed back into a support to the left. It's just ranging. So Goldie, so GG and the hourly closed down. Nice rejection there as well. How big were the stops there? Ooh, I might be able to squeeze that out. So take a look at Goldie now. Yeah, breaking lows. So I think that's gonna be me done. Such a boring week, man. Hell boring. There's no real opportunities. But if I've taken one win and one L, but I've literally seen bunch of people take loads of L's, even today, just so many L's. So pretty happy with that. Let me just tell people to delete it. Delete buy stop. Oh, we got another subscriber. Thank you very much, Robbie, for subscribing. Boring week, better losing week. Yeah. Gas have been some sweet volume, to be honest. Oh, in the gaps. Max, the gap is 10 to 11, right? Yes. Over a long period of time, it is pretty garbage. Yeah, this is ass now. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So let's just play. We'll have a little game of chess to finish off, right? But yeah, as I say, it's the motions of trading. It's just sitting back, finding these zones you want. If they play out, great. If not, then that's your day done. And at the start, yeah, it's boring, but when you've got enough money in your account and, you know, it's easy to, it's quite easy to trade, then man, life's good. You just kind of sit about and relax. It's great. I'm off. See you, NY. See you later, brother. See you later, alligator. I've had 3 wins and 1 break even, but all the wins were small. Most of them I secured a profit and price went back to break even. Yeah, that just shows the kind of levels you were trading at. Sorry, that the week in it as a whole, you know, it was pretty painful. Asian fake out Goldie sells. I don't want to play in that zone again. Well, I haven't played in that at all, but I don't want to play in it. I think it's too risque. I think it may just hover around here forever. Seems to be quite a lack of volume there as well. No me gusta. Yeah. Oh. Why don't you enter on the flip on gold? For what? A sell? Or a buy? Well, the issue is the buy didn't close above my support. The 15... Oh, buy. I mean, maybe if you get back up to here, then I'll take a look. Because normally celeries work out anyway. I don't really need to worry about it too much in terms of breaking of lows. Open 2 windows. Yeah, good point. Chess and trading. Here we go. It's fucking miles away, this. There we go. Yeah, I mean, I could go there first. I'm proud of myself though, because a month or two ago I was trading in these market conditions using some kind of indicator. Since I changed my strat to price action and 1 or 2 trades per day, I'm golden. There you go. And there you go. So yeah, I mean, we discussed the sells. We did know that they were probably going to play out eventually. Just did kind of mess around a little bit here. Same with the EJ. Yeah, wasn't bad, but not the best. Gold's making a perfect retest. It'll fly soon, hopefully, and then we can enter over here. Very happy with that. Trying to see how I can block the yeah, good point. Good point. Oh shit, that's in the way. I forgot I couldn't go backwards. I really want my queen to come out to play, to be honest with you. Oh, what was the Champions League games last night? I didn't watch them. I was too tired. I was in bed by like 10. So finished. If I get a good setup at a lower volume time, should I take? No. You need to go back test the time first. You need to know that there is volume there, because the amount of times you can just get stuck in it. It's not a vibe. Oh yeah, I could just move that there, for fuck's sake. Sloppy today, sloppy. 5 minutes left for this closure. Looks like it's pushed a little bit, but not too much. Bayern 2-0. Oh, Milan through, or another Tottenham. No Chelsea year. Very nice. No buys for gold, question mark. No, not anymore. Doesn't look like it anyway. Nope. Come on, Edwin. Come on, Edwin. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I was thinking. Well, why did he move that? That's a bit retarded. Should I really lose that though? Yeah. I can still leave it there, really. Oh yeah, I can get that round. Yeah, yeah. What is that? Is that a Jordan Peterson painting? Wow, I got Jordan Peterson quotes in here. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, you can't kill me. Why would I move? I can't just move that there though. Oh, okay. Yeah, but I could also just do this and then not. Oh shit! This is fuck. I didn't know he had me locked on. Oh, okay. I can move that then. That was lucky. No, I'm not protected. No. Do that there. Man, the flip looks so tempting. Right, I need backup. Get 1 hour still has no top wick? Yeah. The knight to G3. What's the knight again? This one. Is he just gonna move it there again though? Gonna go in circles again. Oh no, the horse can kill me though. Use the queen, please. Use the queen. Ah! That was silly. Goldie support forming? There's been no support forming yet, brother. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Yeah. Maybe the next 15-minute candle, I think. No, because you can still kill me there. But the bishop can kill me. I don't know. Just kill him? Nah. Is that my only option? Just go there. 30 minutes reflipped. Move that fucking. I need my knight to come. I need my castle to come. Yeah, I was thinking. Rocks don't move, castle rule maybe. Nah, I do, but I swear. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do not. Can I do it now? Yeah, I can. You twat. Oh, but then I'm just gonna swap queens, aren't I? That's a bit shit. Don't take. Yeah, a bit too late now. 10 minutes left. Very strong candle. Yeah, I just gave up on it. You are right. Oh. Shit, I've got a minute 32. Oh no. Oh honey. Hurry up. I don't really know. I'm not going to look now. I'm just going to go for it. If this 50-minute close is bullish, then next 30 maybe we fill that. It's still a 30. I think it's just going to reject again. That's tough. That is tough. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, you cunt. Oh no. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, man. That's fucked me off. Oh, shit. We have to go. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, fuck. Nice. Yeah, I would have moved that castle there, actually, yeah. Okay, 7 minutes left for this candle to close. 7 minutes left. Today 2 chests win. Yeah, man, smashed it. Smashed it, smashed it. This is looking a little bit sus at the moment. 6 minutes left. We'll see how this closes. If so, then may get a 30. Still need a closure of 1818 here, really.
I'm leaving, guys. See you for a night.
See you later, Michael, my man. See you later, brother.
Later.
Adios, adios,
Bye-bye.
adios. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Yeah, I think I may just leave this. Sorry, this guy is asking for a fucking invoice and it's just the same shit. Fucking invoices are such a pain in the ass. Right, one sec. It has bill to email address exactly the same as the phone. It has items there. Description is exactly where I put it. Where you want me to put anything? More options. Message to customer. It's exactly the same as the phone one. You fucking idiot. Right. Come on, Goldie, low volume. Ooh. Ooh. Kill him. Kill him. See you later, Ryan, my man. See you later, see you later. 2 minutes left, just need to close up of this support. We might have it. Or we might not, and we might sit in here for the rest of the week. Maybe. Yeah, and like weeks like this kind of like, it makes you kind of go through it. It's like, do you want to be a trader or do you want to just gamble? Because trading is a lot of waiting and just sitting about. Gamblers gamble all the time. It should prefer not to close. Yeah, me too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably leave it here. Let's give it 1 more minute, see if it gets this push. If not, it's fine. 104 likes, amazing work today. Amazing work. Are you into trade? Runners do. If I eventually get a runner that runs recently, there's been absolutely none. But yeah, runner does the job. If I have a more of a target for overnight, then I might hold it on. It's very low chance that I ever do that, really. Okay, yeah, closed bullish, 30 minute, but not really above the level that I wanted. 15 is looking like it is making some support. So it may work out, but for me, it's looking like quite a slow amount of volume here. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I know it's been a boring week, but you just do it every single week, man. But yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace out. See you later, Zoom. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later. Adios. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later on. Adios. Peace out.